I'm Dr. Michael Brinkenhoff, founder of RevitaLash Cosmetics. As a physician and an ophthalmologist, I'm very passionate about the eyes and eye care overall. That's one reason why in 2006, I created RevitaLash Cosmetics, beginning with a unique eyelash conditioner product that I'm proud to say has inspired not only an iconic brand, but an entirely new category of cosmetic products and a way to care for your lashes and brows that has been imitated the world over. Our original formula was designed to help my wife Gail to feel more beautiful during her courageous fight against breast cancer. She taught me how important beautiful lashes and brows are to women, and the way you look and how you feel are so intimately connected. As a physician, my goal was to develop a safe product that would deliver results while helping to fortify the natural lash, restoring health, and that beautiful shine that is synonymous with gorgeous lashes.